Product: Rough Country Slide-Out Truck Bed Cargo Tray. The Rough Country Slide-Out Truck Bed Cargo Tray makes accessing your items simple. Say goodbye to climbing into your truck bed. Its design ensures easy reach to all your gear. This tray optimizes your truck bed space, providing ample storage for tools, golf clubs, and all your weekend adventure accessories, while keeping everything organized and secure. Constructed from durable, high-density polyethylene, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions, fully weather-resistant and UV-protected to prevent fading. Adjustable tie-down straps and built-in anchor points hold your cargo firmly in place. And with a low profile of only 4 inches tall, it easily fits under any bed. This tray truly maximizes storage and makes loading and unloading effortless.
Product: Maxina Truck Bed Storage Toolbox 22-liter. Today, we're exploring the Maxina Truck Bed Storage Toolbox 22-liter, a practical solution for keeping your gear organized. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, it's significantly tougher than plastic alternatives, resisting rust and cracking under pressure. This 22-liter box skillfully optimizes previously wasted space for storing essentials like tie-down straps, ropes, or trailer supplies. Its clever MOLLE panel design offers extra storage for items such as gas tanks, axes, or flashlights, keeping off-road gear secure. Designed specifically for 2015 through 2025 F-150 models, installation is simple and entirely no drill, utilizing original car holes without any damage. It's a robust, convenient addition that ensures your truck bed remains clutter-free and your equipment protected.
Product: Nilight 2-Pack 18-Watt LED Pods Floodlights. These Nilight 2-Pack 18-Watt LED pods are fantastic floodlights. They give you a super bright white illumination for clear visibility, and that special lamp cup design provides a wide range, letting you see left and right clearly. Quick cooling aluminum heat sinks and high-quality silicone gel extend their lifespan to over 30,000 hours. They're also IP67 waterproof and dustproof, perfect for tough conditions, and the stainless mounting brackets are rustproof. The adjustable bracket lets you easily change their direction up to 45 degrees. Versatile for almost everything: Jeeps, trucks, ATVs, boats. Use them for off-road adventures, construction lighting, or even backyard projects. Reliable and built to last, they enhance visibility for nighttime driving or outdoor work. Product: JB Weld Herculiner Truck Bed Liner 1 quart. The JB Weld Herculiner Truck Bed Liner 1 quart provides robust, professional-grade protection for many surfaces. It's the original do-it-yourself truck bed liner, offering durable coating in just 3 easy steps: prep, apply, and dry. This tough, textured formula delivers a skid-resistant finish that prevents rust and cures stronger than water-based alternatives, guaranteeing it won't chip, flake, or peel. Expect a functional cure in 10 to 12 hours, fully cured in 24. Herculiner is incredibly versatile, perfect for truck beds, trailers, boat decks, walkways, car floors, and tire fenders, adhering strongly to metal, concrete, wood, fiberglass, rubber, and most plastics. It restores and protects with a like-new finish that truly stands up to heavy use. Vevor Aluminum Loading Ramps 8,800 pounds 2-pack. These Vevor aluminum loading ramps are a game-changer for moving heavy gear. Loading vehicles, ATVs, or equipment into your truck bed becomes quick and effortless. Each ramp is built from premium aluminum alloy, combining impressive strength with a lightweight design. They support a massive 8,810 pounds, yet the pair weighs just 60.8 pounds, making them incredibly portable. Safety is key, and these ramps deliver. The rungs design offers a secure, non-slip surface, while the extension plate and adjustable safety straps ensure they stay firmly in place, preventing any tipping or sliding. Hauling tractors, UTVs, motorcycles, or even bicycles has never been safer or easier. These Vevor ramps offer a practical, top-quality solution for anyone transporting heavy or bulky items reliably. Flocado Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover F250/350. Hey everyone, checking out the Flocado Retractable Hard Tonneau Cover for F250/350. It offers reliable protection and a modern look. Aluminum construction ensures durable cargo safety. Impenetrable standing seam aluminum slots guard against rain and unwanted access. A built-in lock prevents unauthorized opening, ensuring paramount security. Its integrated sealing and drainage system keeps your bed and cargo dry,
sealed from UV, dust, rain, or snow, even during washes. Your gear stays protected. Accessing your truck bed is simple. It retracts smoothly into its canister. It sits almost flush, supports 600 pounds evenly, with a dark matte powder coat for scratch and corrosion resistance. This Flocado cover blends style with robust functionality seamlessly. Product: Rough Country Tailgate Assist for Ford Super Duty. Tired of your Ford Super Duty tailgate slamming? The Rough Country Tailgate Assist provides effortless lowering and lifting. Its advanced shock technology ensures a smooth, controlled drop, giving you one-handed control for cargo. Custom designed for F-150, F-250, and F-350 driver-side setups, it seamlessly integrates with factory cables. Built tough from durable A10-18 plate steel, this assist handles tough truck life. Installation is a simple bolt-on process, no drilling or modifications needed. Everything for a fast, DIY-friendly setup is included. Rough Country backs it with a solid 3-year warranty for full confidence. Product: Maxina Truck Security Lock Cover. For 2022-2024 Ford Maverick owners, the Maxina Truck Security Lock Cover is a smart upgrade. Designed precisely with original vehicle data, not for 2025 models, it protects your truck bed storage bin. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, this cover offers strength and resilience, resisting rust and corrosion. Its durable build shields your bin from dust, dirt, and harsh weather, ensuring smooth operation. Enhanced security is key. With a built-in code lock, only authorized users can access your storage bin, keeping content safe. Installation is hassle-free. Replace your original cover, then use the provided key to set your custom code. It's a small, essential step for flawless truck function and secure cargo. Product: Ezrex PM Aluminum Truck Bed Extender with MOLLE. The Ezrex PM Aluminum Truck Bed Extender with MOLLE is designed for 2015 to 2022 Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon. Its durable, rust-resistant aluminum with black powder coating expands your hauling space. Rubber pads protect your bed from scratches and absorb shocks. Flip it outward for large items like lumber, providing support and securing cargo. Or flip it inward to secure items, preventing sliding and keeping essentials accessible near the tailgate. The integrated MOLLE panel maximizes storage for winch ropes, shovels, or hoses. A 1.3-inch flagpole holder is included. This versatile upgrade enhances your truck's functionality. Product: Tobican Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Today, we're checking out the Tobican Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. It's a flexible, stylish way to protect your truck bed cargo, fitting 2014 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 5.10 short beds. Installation is incredibly easy with no drilling, so setup is quick. For access, just pull the latch cable and it rolls up neatly, secured by adjustable straps. Its double-layered vinyl resists overheating, offering excellent all-weather protection. It forms a good seal, preventing leaks from rain or snow. Plus, the plated aluminum alloy frame and built-in crossbars provide superb stability. It's strong, rust-resistant, and stays firmly in place while driving. Perfect for groceries, tools, or camping gear, this cover keeps your truck organized and sleek without the bulk. Product: Triple Aligners All-Weather Truck Bed Mat Honda Ridgeline. For your 2017-2026 Honda Ridgeline, with its 5.3-foot bed, the Triple Aligners All-Weather Truck Bed Mat offers essential protection. It's a perfect custom fit, precisely measured with 3D laser scan technology for full coverage, following every contour. This mat isn't just about fit. Its patent-pending 40 grip material boasts a 25% increase in wear resistance and superior cargo grip, keeping items secure. You get all-weather protection too, with reinforced edge walls blocking water and dirt. The 3D anti-slip surface keeps the mat firmly in place, and a tapered lip at the tailgate helps liquids flow out easily. It's simple to install, just place it. Any initial folds smooth out quickly in the sun or with hot water. This mat keeps your truck bed new, ready for work or any adventure, handling cargo safely. Product: IAQW 43205 Tailgate Assist Strut for Ford Super Duty. The IAQW 43205 Tailgate Assist Strut brings effortless ease to daily tasks for Ford Super Duty owners. This specialized strut ensures smooth, controlled tailgate movement, gently lowering it without sudden drops. It truly frees your hand, enhancing convenience and preventing strain. With its premium metal end bracket and anti-dust cover, you'll enjoy reliable, rattle-free operation. High-quality sealing extends the life of both the strut and your truck's tailgate. Installation is straightforward, requiring basic tools and mounting to the driver's side. Designed for 2017-2025 Ford F-250, F-350, F-450 Super Duty models, it offers a Ford-specific fit. The package includes all necessary components and an installation manual. It comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring your peace of mind.
Product: Xiang 2-pack retractable tie-down straps. Meet the Xiang 2-pack retractable tie-down straps. They're designed to keep your cargo secure and your space organized. These are pickup truck compatible, working with universal retractable ratchet systems. Note, for normal use, they pair with SCYANG guide rails. Provide your vehicle for a fit. Made from tough polyester fiber and carbon steel, they're seriously durable. The polyester withstands high tension, resisting damage even when bundling heavy objects. Securing cargo is effortless. Just pull the strap to length, fasten it, and the automatic ratchet system provides a stable hold. When not in use, the strap neatly retracts into its compact housing. No more tangles or clutter, saving space. These straps make securing and releasing loads quick, convenient, and virtually hassle-free.
Product: Diosk 50L Car and SUV Trunk Organizer. Tired of a chaotic trunk? The Diosk 50L Car and SUV Trunk Organizer transforms your vehicle. Its generous 50L capacity is perfect for groceries, sports gear, or emergency supplies, neatly storing them and preventing items from rolling around. This organizer boasts durable, wear-resistant 600D waterproof material, making it dirt-resistant and easy to clean. Its concise design, with integrated cutting and sewing, gives it a sturdy, three-dimensional appearance, standing up to actual use. Whether car, SUV, or truck, this versatile assistant fully meets your organizing needs across life scenarios. It's not just for vehicles. This multifunctional box can also be used at home for books, clothing, or tools. It truly keeps your essentials secure, organized, and always within easy reach.
Product: Hook Road Wheel Well Truck Toolbox with MOLLE. The Hook Road Wheel Well Truck Toolbox with MOLLE offers secure, organized storage designed specifically for your truck. This system fits 2020 to 2025 Jeep Gladiator JT, 2005 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma, and 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon models, compatible with or without bed rails. Note, it's not for trucks with tonneau covers. It features a dual-layer configuration, 2 front sliding drawers, each 21.2 inches by 8.9 inches by 4.4 inches, with a 40 pounds capacity, and a larger rear box at 29.3 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.2 inches, holding up to 60 pounds, ensuring ample, organized space. A MOLLE panel allows for custom gear mounting. Accessing your items is smooth and reliable with aluminum handles and high-quality rails built for heavy loads. Plus, premium high-security locks and weather-sealed construction keep your valuables protected from theft and the elements. Product: Trunk Cargo Net for Toyota 4Runner 2-Row. For any 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner 2-Row owner, keeping your trunk tidy and items secure is a game-changer. This trunk cargo net is a custom-fit solution, specifically designed for your vehicle. It truly helps transform a messy trunk into a wonderfully organized space, preventing groceries, sports gear, or smaller items from sliding around on every journey. Made from a durable fabric, this organizer net is built to withstand heavy loads, proving to be a fantastic and reliable addition to your vehicle storage. What's more, it's incredibly quick and easy to install. No additional accessories are needed. This net makes daily commutes or weekend adventures much smoother, keeping everything secure and your trunk clutter-free. Product: YHTATO running boards fit Chevy Silverado and GMC. These YHTATO running boards are a custom-fit upgrade for your Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. Designed for extended and double cab models from 1999 to 2013, they offer a sleek, rugged enhancement. Crafted from high-strength Q235A steel, these boards can handle up to 400 lbs, making entry and exit safe and practical. They're protected with an electrophoretic layer and powder coating for superior corrosion resistance, so they'll look great for years. Plus, rigorous testing, including 10,000 dynamic load trials and 720 hours of xenon lamp aging, guarantees their durability even in tough weather conditions.
These boards are ideal for anyone needing reliable, sturdy steps that also boost their truck's aesthetic appeal and functionality.
Product: Cascawise Envelope Style Truck Bed Cargo Net. The Cascawise Envelope Style Truck Bed Cargo Net keeps loose items secure and organized. It prevents groceries, tools, and other gear from sliding or falling out at the tailgate. No more clutter. Everything stays secure, even on rough roads. This upgraded envelope-style net includes a convenient side storage pouch for small items like bottles and tools. When not needed, it folds into its waterproof PVC Oxford storage bag. Constructed from high-strength nylon mesh with heavy-duty elastic, this net features self-locking metal carabiners and reinforced borders, ensuring tension and durability for daily hauling. Measuring 51.1 by 17.7 inches, its high-elasticity nylon secures items of various sizes with ease, fitting most pickup beds universally. It's a simple, practical solution that keeps your cargo safe without taking up extra space.
Product: SailNovo 26 cubic foot waterproof truck bed cargo bag. The SailNovo 26 cubic foot waterproof truck bed cargo bag offers huge storage, easily fitting 6 to 8 large suitcases, perfect for any trip or hauling. Completely rainproof, it uses heavy-duty PVC sandwich mesh leather with waterproof zippers and a Velcro flap. High-frequency fused seams make it fearless in extreme weather, protecting gear from rain, snow, sun, and dust. Its durable anti-tear, anti-scratch material features 4 corners nylon webbing. 6 elastic rope hooks fasten it securely, adapting to various pickups, preventing shifting. The double-opening waterproof zipper allows large locks for securing belongings. This SailNovo bag offers convenience and peace of mind for any truck owner.